Good morning. What I have on the stand today is an engine I've featured recently in a quick look video as a new to me Saito FA-50 engine. Now in that video I discussed the history of the suspected history of this engine, and that I believe that this is one of the first releases from 1992. Now in that video I also mentioned that I had not run this engine yet and that I thought that it needed bearings because it feels a little rough turning over. That could just be that it's just got some dried crud in there, because it wasn't a new engine when I bought it. It had been run a few times and then probably just left to sit. Chances are the bearings are going to need to be replaced anyway, but this is a run I want to do just to see how it runs, see how it sounds, and I may end up having to be a little bit gentle with it because I'm not sure if it's actually been broken in or not. So let's fire this thing up and see if we can determine if there's any bad bearings or not. Okay, so it was my intention to only do a very short run just to get this thing up to operating temperature and see what this feels like and sounds like now. Now, I didn't really make any attempts at all to tune the low speed at all, and I richened the high speed from where I had it initially set because it was really revving up pretty high. Now this 50 is a really high revving 4-stroke engine. If you read the full review article on it, it does like to rev. Unlike a lot of 4-strokes, it's a high revving engine. This was hitting nearly 10,000, I think, or it was in the 9s anyway, and I hadn't even leaned it out. And because I said that I wasn't sure how much break-in or how much run time this had, I wasn't really going to try and tweak it out too much. But this is a 12.6 Zor prop, and it was turning it pretty darn good. I think I've got it up to operating temperature. Not sure if I can tell really if it needs bearings or not. Since that was sort of a semi break-in run, I'll probably just continue to do short break-in runs with this thing, and if the bearings need to be replaced at some point in the future, then I'll do that. But anyway, that was just a short run of this, what I believe is a 1992 vintage Saito FA-50 engine. Thank you for watching.